Happy Cinco de Mayo and welcome to Ghost Host Kitchen. For your Cinco de Mayo dinner, we are going to be making some black bean and sweet potato enchiladas. And it all starts off with cutting up your peppers. You want to take a nice red pepper, cut it into little squares. Then you want to take your sweet potatoes, cut it into basically sweet potato fries, and then cut those fries into 1/2-inch cubes. You're going to make a good amount of sweet potato here. You're going to use 2 of them. Alright, now the first thing you want to do after that is to roast your sweet potatoes. You're going to put these on a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet and then cover them with some olive oil or avocado oil. Alright, you want to get them good and tossed there. You want those things really covered in oil so that they'll cook evenly in the oven. Alright, speaking of oven, you're going to take those potatoes and you're going to roast them for 20 minutes at 375. And while that's going on, you're going to add a little more avocado or olive oil to a pan, okay? And you're going to put those peppers in there that you'd previously cut up. Now to that, add some mushrooms, and then add some garlic as well. Gotta love the garlic flavor. I know I do. Make sure you scrape all that garlic in there, get that garlicky goodness into your meal. Okay, add that 1 can of black beans. Make sure you drain them and rinse them. By this time, your 20 minutes should be up and your sweet potatoes are ready to go into your pan. Alright, now let's spice this thing up. Now we're going pretty mild here. Obviously you can add some jalapenos if you like, but we're going to go with just a simple little bit of cumin, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion. Okay, heat that thoroughly, then pull out your tortillas. Now we're using keto tortillas, but flour tortillas will work just fine as well. You're going to put about 1/2 cup of mix into each tortilla, roll it up. Then you're going to add it to a baking dish. Now we're just making 3 here for dinner, but yeah, put them in your baking dish, cover them with cheese. Then pour in your enchilada sauce. You can make this yourself or just use your favorite brand. Either way, and add a little more cheese. And then into the oven this goes. When it comes out, it's ready to serve. Okay, that's what they look like. Really tasty. Now, after your dinner, you want something sweet for dessert, so let's do an easy margarita pie. That margarita pie starts with an 8-ounce block of cream cheese and 6 ounces of your favorite margarita mix. Now we're using lime here, but you can use whatever kind you like. Add in a can of condensed milk and then mix it all with a hand mixer. Pour in a tub of whipped topping. Those of you who know. And just mix that in as well. You can fold it in if you like. I think it incorporates better if you use the mixer. But either way, mix that all up. Make sure it's consistent. Pull out your graham cracker crust and just pour it in. Just pour it into your crust. Okay, you're going to make sure that it's all in there. It's all smooth. And then into the freezer it goes. And that's it. Get a beautiful little piece of pie. Tastes great. Got that margarita flavor. Thanks for watching. Happy Cinco de Mayo from Coast Host Kitchen.